Yo, what up? It's LBK back here. It's been a hectic week. And but then, in this episode, we will to focus on the cousin how to drop out. Man, those bonus. I don't know which ones would drop out. Only few people know would drop out. Today, but there's the focus on how we go on. Our now drop. Even though one hour to hand would drop out. Most of them both was like as single. This week, I found out last week, them was all about the albums. One of my job, and this week, I just they gonna throw deep one. This year drop, then nine more drop, Black Sea drop, nine more drop. And then whatever to drop out, that's that nine more. That's the when some deep na yung drop bang di ba when ko drop music video mak as the boss man di ba Facebook ko drop to when the mo to ni ko ko drop even na fan rem nga pa decide yang anam to drop one ya turi anam to drop album anam to drop album this week but ura na music video na music ko end this week chinen tangandi ko to chon tangandi men ya turi men ni music video ni go shoot you one. And I thought the music video and got I think like I said he Nigeria paper or shoot or something and the the other was them. I think like was Nabanda Manji. That I feel like town go yo. And the juju to Jambormi. But Fungo was that China shot or shot of his name. Or what one of the TV was but you're a fake house. One. Joseph Bangat depend on radio. Oh, yeah, say radio. No, I mean, no Pundulu so there's no need for them to revive Onyanga like April can help them with they can help them with nothing. With anything. So I feel like the TV screen the change should know because the other one airplane the car back high. Airplane and the car one. But I shouldn't do sorry. You okay, then there airplane the car one matter. Said the only it was through airplane the guy. Come on. That's the problem. Airplane only Gabe Ben ini and when time was mara papa did up. That's what Padang as a cent. Now, no tongue only times around in Buratown now, no one but 50 cent. 80 cent. So, just that. That's why it's a richer in Inyagori. Even as a plane and the cash being a which coffee, you'll be getting free airplane. The cash being there are people who are buying to have those airplane. So, just imagine how many artists here in South Africa are buying to have those type of airplanes while you are still waiting to have an airplane that has been made by the compile music compile one so stuff bro really tough. The one who go to live hani mom go to live han mana and banji bandu tunaona kupusha mara pone wasati bako diza biwango tuni waseza ability kapenda like literally right now ndio watu bako like Wakoshum's a platform you never have like just to, even though to create something out of nothing one because of the card Wakoshuma for it the cards and so do you want to Oshuma's about the one Oshuma's about the and what is going on I just hope we're going to have a time to dear just that when that's to seek in door like we really need to just that now we're yes you can see trust vendors go there but yes they can have trust but the problem is that there will be no sponsors. One thing about what they really invent is that there's no sponsors. People who are willing to, even though they are there and there, but they just discriminate who are they going to give the money. Now, money about only why? What is the purpose of them? People want you never know. And what one you announce? This one, even though I'm trying to sponsor. Yes, Mizuna church lunches and what. I feel like Mara and the story in the town, but I mean, the brand ambassador I want to go on so. Okay. So chonde me ding mwedi nyana runa sponsor apa. I don't know about the other player, but much much rubber component most of the time at you rock and I mean invent one is we don't know really yes to sponsor one is to maybe collaborate baba escuto one. Who else has a sponsor in event? Yeah, I would want to sponsor them. Literally. Yeah, them. Because of I can't really find one. There's even one I'm trying to get the whole sponsor. On or no brand in a advertise like this. I wouldn't. Yes, it's not just that into thought of a means of his. Never gonna know. Snip Sunday today, maybe yes, they were never like our Red Bull, low meaning. But I don't know. Red Bull look at the one Snip Sunday. They can't do my one. Even as line up one. They can't. No. So since vendor knows we. It's just that we have a sponsor. Those are the blind. You. Fuck. Mara, but the one was all about the one. Is that if Mara long sponsor have non vendor, they need because of the cost of so the Kumano so the engineer Bangaro Kusinyaga Mutar, Bangaro Kusinyaga, Kusinyaga, yes, they are Kusinyaga 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, they can help you. Is that if you don't have a sponsor, it's little tough. You should be doing everything for yourself, but is that you have to work hard for you to get a sponsor. Go to chance to go to any sponsor. Some go, so much yeah, it's have true, you have to work hard for it. So I don't know. And it's one of those things was good to have to the sponsor happen on South Africa. Even though, yeah, yes, that or other them sorry. Officially, if they are doing the advertisement of let's say a brand deal, Nike what. I don't we don't know what the guy. But you can just assume let's say a person like Mr. C so right now. Mr. V like a brand with LS. Just imagine how much Mr. C charge for them to be his brand ambassador. You know how much you think they charge them? You charge them. I don't know. Maybe so 6, 7 one. So I don't know. And I'm not posing charges in just that even him social media it's that it's not a national artist, it's an international artist. So even though they'll be willing to get some support from other countries. That's why I feel like that's why it's the target, for him. Uh, During that time, because one of okay, I'm going to the video one. And even though that one, I believe, you know, just post this and this day. I feel like you know what you can cover about tonight. Do you buy what yo, you wear these things, we take photos of you, then ourselves ndinenera them. That work ku isazi nepen that work with us so even though not so zura. Okay. Sometimes it could be a fair deal, and sometimes it can be a fair deal. Oh, I don't know. Just that the game is cruel, bro. The game is cruel. Just that it needs to be you to be clever with even most of the things, money, what. You see people like your Master KG, eh, all people you can check. You see those movement of artists where your Master KG is buying your McLaren, King Nana is buying McLaren, Big Zul is buying McLaren, DJ Tia is a Ferrari. You see all of them. There's no artist there that is being signed to another record label. All of them they have their own record label. Big Zul, Gavi Nation, King Munanda, King Nada Production, Master KG, Wani Thomas, Big Zul. No, 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 no. Yes, Big Zulu, Ngabo Nation, Digitira, Afrotainment. You see, so all of them, they have their own record label. Você não sus no to kugina. Ne to buke again anyway. To kugina. That's why you find them, all of them rich. Most of their stuff, they just do when it comes to things like, just imagine someone like Big Zone. If Kavela was going to sponsor him, when it comes to sponsoring him, if he was not having things like you, if he was not alone, that means there will be many charges of fees. There will be charge of fees for his lawyer to do with the brand. But vonga uchiwadzi ofisini venivala vantu record label vakutonyaga party, they will rob you, you see, but you won't even know the real amount. So it's like while on the truth, you must take it even though after Jerusalem he went back and do his own things, but even though Jerusalem will be one of his biggest song, but after that he went independent. He lived open mind. I don't know, but I just feel like chinava kutochitaura mutundu I mean, even though I independent uri una distribution fees zvimwe uva uvakazo ndinava nadzo distribution. So atidi maybe rari nani even kuti uri digital ndikala game can't compare him navantu vonga veva vamba vanhu vangoti kune vana longevity when it comes to this music business vana longevity line ambayo ndikana kukupusha mana guys wakupusha rest but you nanda yo that boy yo I feel like Nanda is a trendsetter, you know. He's a trendsetter when it comes to many things. Just like he knows how to create content, you know. So you see those things after buying that, like you see what he did, those short films. After that, is Paulano in studio. You see, he's doing like many things with they know how to sing. They even the song. Natautile watoto Paulano nyanga gwai watoto. You see those type of things. It's a trendset. That's it. He knows how to. What was already if do it as also the chimbitsa. There's 20 sun, there's 20 sun, there's 20 sun, there's 20 sun. And Nikala could push. The one of the now what one send the women yeah McLaren. See all of them. This everyone is putting their supercars out. Everyone winchland. If you have a supercar, the shipping already now is the best, you know. And we want a new one. We don't want the old one. We want a new one. We don't want the old one. But if you have it, we want to see ndishonga chano chinorutsibawo. And right now, ndishonga chazi competition zvinhu vatova kukompita ngazi. Oh, if you had this, but I feel like because of uya chine chimwe chauva na Vian right now ne ndishonga chazitombedza kuti yeah, if you have money buy this one. And literally, like showing each other, yeah, we have real money. Yeah. We are not playing. We have real money, like literally. Yeah. But yo, this guy, yeah, they pump big, bro. Like yo, Big Zulus, yo, you, they roll big. The left side, that hey, yo, hey, you can't compete with them. Those guys are like literally, yeah, they are massive. Yo, they are really, really, really massive. You can just see Ngabuni Vanuru's about Kotoria. What we have yes. But yeah, they are really, really different. It's not them. So what have they worry? Chingazvizuka mara dogibon uri vadova kuitani. Yeso zvinji zvinova kuita. And then ahuna zwifhio zwiṅwe zwithu zwa itea na ndi nnyi muṅwe muthu we ita zwiṅwe zwithu this way. Ish. Heyi nṋe yo topic ndi ḓo pfha ndi tshi ḓo ni itisa iya Maxwell. I feel like Maxwell what he's doing is doing things for trend, like you want to trend, you know. So and I could want to issue the officers could backfire and Kongwana. I feel like he's doing things for trend, you know, because of no. I feel like he's doing things for trend. One. That's all I can think of Maxwell because it. I feel like Maxwell is doing things for trend, you one. And he doesn't not realize already. Yes, he can be doing things for trend, but any monona brand after all. One. La brand every day says and yamra. One. Izanga ḓivha khou ntshedza zwinepe 20 uzwinepe zwa 31 nda fhedza ambaro ndi zwithu zwa mulovha. What will happen then ende na ene muthu wawe a tshi fhedza tshi fhedza vha khou amba uri yes naye u vha khou mudia wathu a twati then after that vha fhedza zwa vha shapu no ahuna muthu o dzhenaho zwino first of all why not ḓisela zwithu nnḓa kha uri ndo zwi vhona zwori ndi zwithu zwine zwa vha zwi khou itiwa like for a public stunt. Maybe I don't know. Maybe they are filming something. Maybe they want to work on release the music, but I don't know. It's not work and you know, most of the things you know because that makes it makes sure go work with it for use, relax, and to be trending. And why goes to trend out the trend for 2 days. My storage line just phone is actually on. So at the ndangona munhu oḓiruza ondiurwa waya tshikuita zwezwo so wana because of brand yawe ene muṋe u khou i vhulaya ana muthu ane a khou vhulaya brand ya Maxwell ene muṋe u khou ḓo vhulaya brand yawe a lifestyle ine a khou tshila yone u wana the lifestyle that ine a khou i tshila ndi yone ine i ḓo vha i khou vhulaya mini i khou mu vhulaya literally ahuna iṅwe brand iṅwe zwiṅwe zwithu zwine zwo brand ya Maxwell ndi ene muṋe ane a khou vhulaya brand yawe na lifestyle yawe so tori mutsaisi ri vhone zwori ḓo misa gai u vhona but I don't know uri the way ine a khou tshila ngayo zwi ḓo mu swikisa gai ngori because of ndi kale u khou tshila I don't no I understand the lifestyle ya hone thi khou vhuya nda understand u vhona ngori yes ri nga understand uri heyo lifestyle i khou tshila mara really iṅwe ndi i different iṅwe nḓila u different a i fani na dza vhaṅwe ngori literally i different a i fani na dziṅwe so I don't know bro mara u ḓo ri vhudza ene muṋe u ḓo ri vhudza what's going on hu khou itea mini u wana ri vha ri khou zwi vhona uri okay a zwa so zwi khou itea u wana but ḓo zwi ambiwa zwi ri mini zwa Maxwell ene muṋe mara u ḓo ri vhudza uri brand yawe i khou shotha mini lune a ḓo vha a khou ita zwithu zwa so okay nga iya nga ṱoḓa dzi mafhano ndo ando fha laptop so I'm really disappointed in Makazi for the music video. And actually, I'm disappointed in Makazi. I'm disappointed in the films. When it comes to the coloring of the film, I feel like they could do better. You know, it's a no. I feel like, or maybe they wanted the colors to be there like that. There's no problem. My colors is learning no. Need to is u vhona zwiṅwe zwithu zwine anga zwi ita dzi films uri zwi vhe more colours dza madlamini music video because of music video ri khou vhona yes hu na zwithu zwa shavha mara the views ri tshi khou sedza uri mini the colouring of the music video which is sharp now. Music post of music video learning. The coloring. I don't know. Maybe they wanted to use vintage in Kongo. Mr. I understand. Yes, they wanted to use vintage. Mara, the coloring is wrong. One. Mara, no. I feel like it's wrong. Don't think like nah, but when you go show me so face over so many. That's why I feel like too much shit so before but music video crash. I feel like it's because of the quality of the music video. I feel like the films the editing your work then I feel like Makazi was like no song one. So they really have to come out with something good about yes music video recover zuru mara. How can we come up with another better? Nah, I feel like they made it too vintage. I feel like you know, the settings there, nah. It was too deep, bro. Literally, it's too deep. So I just think like maybe they can, I don't know, they can do something about it. Yes, maybe. But the music video is too deep. No. That music, nah, I can't feel it. No, no. That music video is too deep, bro. Like literal. You can see, bro, oh, this music video. Even though quality, just that you see, that music video will have the TV play because of she already has a name. Unlike someone who wants to break through to the, to that. But Gore and Indicare industry and Indicare. No is going to change. Even though music video was not quality or although the time back one because of what we're going to me. But says we're going to do it empty one. So even though I've also not quite a music video of work. Chini chose on your daughter back TV. I was all set as Satan. Those was it as Satan. One of the officer will time. So my literary chatting. Chinenda mandoshi manokamila music. There could have been more to that. But just that as long as the video is using there's always room for error and no, those member are wrong. There's always something you know that you improve on one. And then nakanula music video. This is in the way to improve. Like clearing, lowering the vintage. Yes, then the tone gonna do it. This was all the directing stuff. I feel like those ones are this is good. So you need to have a bed. This was the face. As long as this is sharp. I'm not sure we should need to wrong one. So I don't know. Yeah, that's the industry game is too deep. It's too hard. Yeah, man. Nah, but this for no me. Oh, you continue on the no, okay. Yes, see, I'll break now. What the what? Nah. Literally, this is Indian because of Indian anthropology album. So I feel like it's the reload of the first one. Isn't that necessary is necessary? They will always delay. Come on. So I feel like it's one of those people they're just creative. So necessary will always deliver. Yes, that sometimes you'll differ because of who is featuring on the song. But if you're like featuring people like your Blakey's, your bigger names, will come with different flows, something new, your melody, the writing skill will be different. It won't be like the same one when it's most of the time when he's doing like you know, yeah, someone just for yeah. But I wish that we just have to say, you know, oh yeah, the Shuma one. But I don't know, bro. Let's say I don't know. Hmm. This thing of music video ne ndi zwithu zwine na wewe wala wewe because of even like also na yo drop but even o drop so regarding the account the music videos of quality dzavho na zuri vhokushutira ngani most of them ne avashutiri nga vhathu vhaphi vhahulwane then why is these music videos dzavho dzi tshi vha na dzi quality or dzi tshi vha furathing fhedzi zwino tea ndo zwi uri vhathu nga vho necessary not okay le music video i vha i na dzi director i vha i na zwithu zwoṱhe vhone oh now okay I can see the difference. The difference here is the budget. That is the difference. Budget ndio nini ya difference because of ngona ngeke una budget maybe unga budget ya 500,000 okay ki unchita music video so ushita bonyi as director kids na mini all the equipment is khulwane dzoṱhe dzi ḓo vha dzi hone rather than izilani okay and those places why zwi tshi ḓo vha so because of ndi kho ḓi vhudzisa uri why zwi tshi nga ḓo vha so wana why u tshi nga ḓo ri kha music video ndi muṱuku dzi quality dza hone ndi ṱhukhu kungwana mara ndo zwi wana even like yo man music video uvala yeah you can check that the budget is big and you know so yes but I just feel like they should be paying u tou tovha na ene muṋe usimane vha tshi mu badela dzo fhelelaho because of tou vha wana tshelede yawe if a vha sa wani tshelede yawe damn hu ḓo vha na khakhathi hu ḓo vha na khakhathi khulu vha tea u vha vha tshi mufha dzi tshelede dzawe so what else has been going on ndi nyimbo muthu oh shit vhavha lo was breaking that's Kelvin Momo. Kelvin Momo is breaking through a house he wants anyway so no, I'm just joking but I feel like vha tea u tovha na security khulwane because of if their savings breaking so hu tea u tovha na dzi security khulwane kungwana nahone vhathu vha vha zwi ḓivhisana zwa uri hu dzula hafhaḽani fheḽa fhethu vha zwi ḓivhisana zwa uri ndi place ya hune vha dzula hone kungwana ndi tshone tshithu tsha u thoma because of if a ite hezwo sa muthu u tea u tou namba a move ha ngo tsha vhuya a tea u dzula because of anga si dzule fhethu so muthu a nga si dzule fhethu so u ḓo tou namba same time ari a ḓi muvela dzula fhethu ha so u ḓo namba a move ari ndi hayani a vhuya a tea u dzula fhethu ha so to ḓi muvela na vha tsitsa I wana iṅwe place ntswa ngori most of the time so vha tshi vho zwi ḓivha zwa uri yo ndi fhethu ha celebrity fhaḽa na zwithu zwinzhi zwine zwi nga dovha zwa itea nga dovha zwa repeat zwithu ndi ḓo muva a no iṅwe choice ine avha nayo na iṅwe choice ine avha nayo yo ndo no vhuya nda zwi vhona zwa uri ndi kana zwi amba ndi top 4 yashu zwi amba zwa zwino because of vha khou vha khou ṱuwa vhathu havhaḽa vhoṱhe Goosebumps Mizo Capable Boys 100k vho no i fhira just Lotto thi ḓivhi zwa uri zwithu zwavho zwi khou tshimbilisa mara zwino muṅwe vho na miṅwe ine ra khou nayo mara vhevho thi ndi vhone vha khou ḽitaho that means zwino zwavhuḓi vha khou lwela vhugai 150 zwavho vhanga vha khou lwela 200 vhanga vha khou lwela zwa vha 200 uri ndi ine a ḓo thoma u dzhena 200 damn who will be the first of not so long ago ra ri khou amba zwa uri ndi nyana ḓo vha khou swika 100 a vho i swika mamuna a ngo i vha So zwa zwino Chizana ndi tshi ri khou vhona uri ndi vhafhio vhane vha ḓo swika 200. So that means hu ḓo vha Goosebumps is big and he has a cult following. No. Yes, Goosebumps is big and there's a cult following. Mizo is big and there's a big fan base, true fan base. Capable Boys is big, but it's not big with their own fans. One fans is they are divided, and these fans is a big one. So you can't say they are that big. Yes, they were big, but they're not that big like your Mizo and Goosebumps. Because of Boni Banyagami, someone else. Ari to vhona zwithu zwavho vha khou ḓo zwi ita nga vhone vhaṋe nda vhona zwo zwi khou vha big hani vhone ende a songo tou vhudza nga Snap Sunday a si vhone hu na Uber Black nga side vhona Fantastic Four a si vhone fhedzi hu na Mizo Guzba. So you see a ri khou vha vhona vhone vhaṋe vha khou ḓo ntsha album maybe hu vhone vhaṋe like vha khou ḓo produce ine ya vha collective ya vhone vhaṋe hu si na uri yes vha nga ḓi vha na dzi feature mara not uri hu vhe na dzi feature dzi nnzhi nnzhi. So a ri vha vhona u khou ita zwezwo. So let's tori vha na cult ya dzi nga ḓivha kha Snap Sunday but ke mara hafhanoni na hafhanoni a vha thu tou vha na that ine ri nga ri ndi cult khulwane u wana dzi nga ḓivha cult yavho mara a thu tou vhesa khulwanesa a thu vha wana sorry cult yo nga sa vho Ramzeey ṅwana vha ḓo vha na dzi film dzavho naye ndi vhona u nga ri ṱhaṅwe nga ḓoroboni a ya ritsha because of right now u khou ma 55 56 if anga dropa a i ritsha anga dzi balelwa nga 40k that's 40 because hu ḓo vha na music minzhi muswa ku ṅwana so nga uri a si tou ntsha tani ya mori ya misangani mara even though now asina mini asina nthu ya makhadzi asina feature ya makhadzi I feel like muthu nga Ramzeey I need feature ya makhadzi muthu nga Ramzeey wa need feature ya makhadzi is why need Ramzeey feature ya makhadzi for push to have more streams mana just for ndi kho to i nyaga I don't know I feel like I nyaga in that aspect yo to ndi kho i nyaga khayo ndi kho i nyaga like really isa nga ḓivha tshi nyaga mara anga si to nyaga nga iḽa nḓila so I don't know maybe so the DJs in South Africa we're done with them. They don't know what they're doing most of the times. So everywhere is like DJ. They're gonna say that yo, these people can pay, they can play big match, they can play big time. So let's just do it. But you just have to say what I mean. You, I'm out of here.